Hello. So, question number 9, the final question on this paper, and it is a Big 10 marker. So, let's have a look. We've got use water on page 5 of the preliminary material, and it says how much water does an average person household use? And then we've got these figures down here. Now, if I want to convert these to litres, we are just adding 3 zeros on at the end of all of those. And that's because 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 litres. So it says on the question, a new housing estate is being planned. There will be a total of 350 new homes on the estate. We've got details of what those houses will be, and it says the local water company wants to check if they have sufficient capacity to supply this new housing estate. Estimate the number of litres of water per day needed for the new housing estate. State any assumptions that you make. So the first thing that we're going to look at is how many people will be occupying these houses, and then we'll work on this by a case-by-case situation. So for the 3 and 4 bed homes, we are going to say 4 people. For the 1 to 2 beds, I'm going to say 3 people. Should I say that? I think I might go down to 2. We'll go to 2 people. And then for the retirement flats, they've already said it's 1 person. Okay, so let's start to work this out. So we're going to have 240 homes that I've assumed there's going to be 4 people in. And then I'm going to multiply that by 164. I'm going to keep it in cubic meters for now, just to make the numbers nice and easy. So 240 times by 164 gives me 39360. For the 80 homes that I've assumed there are 2 people in, we go to that table, we've got 101 there. So 101 times by 80 is 8080. Finally, the retirement homes, 30 of them times by 54. 30 times 54 is 1620. Add them up. Plus 8080 plus 39360. We've got 49060 meters cubed of water per year. Okay, now I've got the mark scheme open in front of me. I just want to go through the marks for this. So making that first assumption, 1 mark. Finding the value for the family homes. So these digits here, that's worth the second and the third mark. The third mark is for the 1 to 2 beds. 240 times by the usage, 4th mark. The 80 times by the next one, 5 marks. This last row here, 6 marks. So we're on to 6. Oh, and I've added them up. So that's 7 marks already. And if I've done it all accurately, that's 8 marks. So finally, for the 9th and the 10th mark, we simply need to divide this by 365 days. So 49060 divided by 365 gives me 134.410959. And then we multiply it by 1,000 to turn it into litres, which is 134,410.9589. So I'm going to round that, 134,411 litres. And that's the 10 marker done. Correct division of their total per year to give the value per day, and the conversion to litres, that's an accuracy mark. It says it wants it in litres, number of litres, so we're not allowed to have any decimals, so rounding it to the nearest whole number is the right thing to do, and that's 10 big marks. That's paper 1 done. Good luck for your exams. Hopefully you're revising hard, and I'll see you at paper 2.